Welcome to Form8949.com. For 2012 income tax returns, the IRS again requires the attachment of Schedule D and Form 8949 to Form 1040 when reporting your stock sale transactions. Using our website, you can generate Form 8949 for delivery to your tax professional or for attachment to your Form 1040 if you prepare your own tax return. If you use TurboTax, TaxAct, Block at Home, or other tax software, we'll provide data files and instructions on how to import your data into your tax software. We also have special solutions and instructions for active traders who have more transactions than can be imported into their tax software. Our program can convert data files supplied from many brokerage firms. See the list on the broker information page. If your broker is not listed, complete the request for broker support and we will contact you within 2 business days to follow up on your request. Let's click the Begin button and get started. Review and agree to the terms. On the next page, enter your email address. And then on the next page, if you would like your name and social security number to appear at the top of your tax forms, enter this information here. This step is optional. Form8949.com is a secure site and our program does not retain this information. On the next screen, indicate whether you use a tax professional or software to prepare your taxes. The program will assign you a passcode, which you will need when you're finished to enable you to access your conversion results. So you'll want to make a note of this, or you can email it to yourself. On the next screen, indicate the source of your data to be converted. Click Downloaded to process a file that you have downloaded from your broker's website. On the next screen, select your broker from the list shown. Then click the button for the type of file downloaded from your broker's website. In this case, I've downloaded a CSV file from the Schwab website. You then browse to the data file on your computer. I've downloaded the Schwab file to my desktop. Notice that the file has the .csv extension. The type of file you indicate on the previous screen must match the type of file you submit in order for our program to properly process your file. Go to the next page, and your file will then be uploaded for processing. When uploading is complete, click the Next button. At this point, our program will scan your data file and the number of transactions found will be shown. When scanning is completed, go to the next screen. The program will then convert your data into various formats, including Adobe PDF. This usually takes just a few seconds. However, if you have a large number of transactions, it may take a few minutes. When the data conversion is completed, the program will show you the summary results. On the next screen, you can review the detailed results and either download a PDF file for viewing in Adobe Reader or view the detail in a separate window of your browser as seen here. If everything is complete and accurate, go to the next screen. If your broker supplied data is missing the cost or other details for some transactions, you can download an Excel spreadsheet created by our program. Edit the spreadsheet and then submit the spreadsheet for processing. For more information about this, see our spreadsheet processing video. Once you are happy with the results, go to the next screen, which has a link to the PayPal Secure Payment site. You can pay with a credit card or use your PayPal account. After you have made your payment, go to the Download Center on our website and retrieve your final results. To use the Download Center, you will need your assigned order number and passcode that you were given earlier in the program. If you have any questions or program enhancement requests, please email us. Thank you for using Form8949.com and tell your friends about us.